got me in its iron grip, squeezing tight, making me slip. Your goodbye lingers like a thorn, eternal ache since you've been gone. Eternal ache deep in my soul. Heartbreak's fire burning me whole. No wind inside, no relief to find. Your love's ghost haunts my mind. Days blend in to nights of despair, wondering if you even care. I cry out in the silent room, feeling the weight of this doom. If time could heal this wound so deep, I'd wait forever, no more sleep. But heartbreak's eternal, cold and true, leaving me forever blue. Eternal ache deep in my soul. Heartbreak's fire burning me whole. No wind inside, no relief to find. Your love